Hi, my name is Dalton. I'm here at the East Lansing Experimac, and we're doing our first ever Tech Tuesday video. We're pretty excited to be giving you some troubleshooting options that you can do at home. Today we're going to be covering what to do if your Mac computer does not want to start up, if you're getting a dark screen, or if you don't hear that classic Mac chime when you hit the button. So let's get into it. First things first, if you haven't already, try to restart the computer. I know that the computer might not seem like it's turning on, but it may be caught in some sort of boot loop, or it might be, halfway through the startup process. If it takes a really long time, you may want to start from scratch by just holding the power button until you hear everything power down, or just by holding it for 10 seconds ought to do the trick. One other common issue if your computer's not starting up, specifically if you're using a laptop computer, is that it could possibly be the power supply, and a good idea is to try to check that. One easy tell is that on the actual power supply there's a little light that should be turning on. If that light's not turning on, the power might not be flowing to the battery and it might just be dead. One easy fix for that is to check and make sure that there's nothing blocking the charging port. If there's dust or debris in there, just take a Q-tip and try to get that out as best that you can, and clean off the contacts on the charger. Another fix could be if the charger's just gone bad, just replacing the charger could do the trick as well. If you go to turn on your computer and the screen doesn't light up, but you hear the fans inside the computer whirring, or you hear the inner workings starting up, that's usually a telltale sign that the screen has gone bad. It's a generally pretty easy fix for us, but that is something that you'd have to bring it into our location for us to do for you. The good news with that is typically with a screen repair you're not going to lose any data or anything like that, so it's not typically cause for worry, but we would recommend that you come into the store. In the event that your Mac computer is not turning on, it's not cause for concern necessarily, but definitely try our troubleshooting techniques or stop in to see us and we'll get things sorted out for you. I hope that you enjoyed this Tech Tuesday video. It is our first one, so if you have any comments, suggestions, anything like that, please leave them in the comments, or definitely let us know, give us a call, and please give us feedback on what you'd like covered in future Tech Tuesday videos. We have a few planned, but we're always looking for good suggestions, so hopefully I'll see you next Tuesday.